Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some Korean skincare products. So a bunch of my friends got me a few things, and obviously I didn't go because if I would have gone you would have known through stories or something. So yeah, 2-3 of my friends actually got me something when they were either traveling to Bangkok or coming back from Korea. So I'll just show you guys some products. I've started using them, so I will be giving you guys mini reviews. And of course these are some Korean brands, so you can pick these up if you're traveling. Otherwise you can pick them up from websites like YesStyle. I will leave some links in the description box. So firstly we have this cleansing foam from Misha, and Misha is a brand which I've been meaning to try from such a long time. I've been actually meaning to try their BB cream. So I showed this in one of my vlogs. If you have missed that, then yeah, this one is actually really good. So it's a cleansing foam. So it is creamy latte chocolate, and I think this one is available in strawberry as well. So when I googled, I found that all the instructions and ingredients, everything is in Korean. So all I can see here is that it contains milk, and it's actually quite nice. It's very creamy, and then I thought it'll make my skin very oily, but it doesn't. I've been using this in summer also on and off, so I keep switching between face washes. So this is like a foam, but it's squeaky clean. It gets your face like really clean. I was super surprised when I started using it. At the same time, it doesn't make your skin dry, which is very important, right? It stays hydrated and it's quite moisturized, which is really good. So if you do come across this, get it. I don't think it's available on Amazon.in at the moment, but I'll try to find it. If it's available, I'll leave the link. And then this is a hand cream from Etude House. Etude House is one of my favorite brands. So I've tried their lip crayons and tints, and I used to really like their Princess Etude collection. They used to have like beautiful lipsticks, and the packaging was really good. Even otherwise also Etude House has really cute packaging. So this is their hand bouquet rich collagen hand cream, and it's very nourishing. I'll just show you guys. Basically this is how it looks. Hands get very dry and dehydrated, probably because I think most of us do this like driving and working on the keyboard for a long time. And of course I don't know if it's the AC, and also I have like small pups who live in my street. Whenever I obviously play with them or hold them and all that, I'll have to keep washing my hands. I have a dog also, so I don't know, I keep washing my hands a lot, I guess, so that's making it even more dry. So anyway, this one's really nourishing. So yeah, get yourself a hand cream like this, either from Etude House or something else if you have the same problem. And then we have a bunch of sheet masks. So it's like, oh my god. So this is from Nature Republic, and this is their green tea sheet mask, and I've never used anything from Nature Republic, so this will be my first time trying. This is also from Nature Republic, and this is their avocado sheet mask, and this is their bamboo sheet mask. I'm very excited to try these. And this is from Misha. This is their green tea, and this is their lemon sheet mask. And then we have this aloe vera. This one's from My Beauty Diary, and this is a caviar mask. Actually I had this for a while. I haven't been using it since you know, it has a shelf life of 3 years, so I have been using other ones which I wanted to try out. And then we have this tint from peri. Peri is also a famous brand. I'm not sure if it's a Korean brand or if it is a Thailand brand, but the tint is really nice. It's a lip tint, lip and cheek tint, and look at the packaging. It's so cute. Then we have this single eyeshadow from Face Shop, and this one is like very shimmery. So yeah, this is how it looks. It looks quite shimmery, and oh yeah, it's actually quite shimmery. You see it? And then we have this nail polish. I'm not really sure if the brand's name is Your Nail. Here it says Your Nail Basic, and the color is actually pretty different. I've never tried this color. I'll insert a picture. I actually shot this video earlier, and I didn't like how it turned out, so I'm redoing it. I was wearing this in that particular video, so I think I was wearing it even in my Women's Day video. This one's actually different. It looked quite nice. Actually, I really liked it on my feet more than my hands. And this is a really cute eyeliner, and it's not just cute, actually it works quite well. I used it in some video also, I think. It's by My Beauty Buffet, and it's called the Bakery Candy Liner, and it looks so cute. This is one thing about Korean skincare, or like Korean brands, and even Thailand based brands. They have like really cute packaging, right? This is so cute. I really like this one. It actually works quite well because the wand is like quite thin and nice. Like, you can apply a very good wing liner with this. I have two products from Klairs. I've shown this in my moisturizers video. Like, I've done a video on top 5 moisturizers where I spoke about hydration and everything about like moisturizing and all that. So I've shown this in that. This is their Supple Preparation Facial Toner, and this one is available on Nykaa also. So this I got in PR. I got it from Wish Trend, and this one's really good. Like, apart from this, I've used only two, three toners. I've used something from Ayur, and I've used I think Biotic. This one is the best so far for me personally, and it makes sure that it maintains pH balance. So I do have like dehydrated skin. I don't mean dry. I have like combination skin. I have like very oily nose and few other areas, and I have pimple prone skin. Is very sensitive also. So toners basically help maintain a pH balance, so they make sure that your skin doesn't feel too dry or too oily, so it'll maintain that. So this one works great for that throughout the winter. This was working great. I used to apply this as serum, and now I use it on a cotton pad to like clean up my face. And yeah, try this toner if you're looking for a good toner. It's available on Nykaa. Also from Klairs, I have their vitamin C serum, which I really like again. I've tried only 2 vitamin C serums till now. One is Skin Deva. I've recently reviewed it, so you can check out the review if you're interested. But apart from that, this is the other serum that I've tried, Klairs one. It's really good. It's very hydrating. It's like intense moisturization, and they also work on other problem areas like pimple prone skin, any dark spots, hyperpigmentation and all that. So it reverses the whole sun damage. So I've spoken about why vitamin C serums should be included in skincare in the review video, so check it out if you're interested. So Klairs vitamin C serum is also really good. You can try this one out if you're looking for a good serum. I think Nykaa has like 20-25% off on Klairs products, or like all the Korean brands that they have on the site, so you can check it out when they have a sale. And this is a water bank mineral skin mist from Laneige, and I got this from an Instagram store. This was before Laneige actually launched in India, but anyway, I think they don't have the mini version. So this is something great. It's very moisturizing, it smells really good, and it's very refreshing on your skin, especially for summer. They sent me these free samples of AC Cleanup Toner from Etude House. These are really great if you have like sensitive skin or pimple prone skin. They work really great. That's all about the Korean skincare haul which I wanted to show you guys. I hope this was fun. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch. Let me know if you would like to watch more beauty hauls from Nykaa or Purple, and if you would like me to do any skincare reviews or any makeup reviews, also let me know in the comments below. I do a lot of fashion related videos, lookbooks and hauls and so much more. So subscribe to my channel. I upload twice every week, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle here. You can find me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.